Stephanie's Kitchen. Today I have been doing baking. So I've baked 12 tuna and sweet corn muffins. So in the muffins there's tuna, which is free in protein, fat-free cottage cheese, which is free in protein, eggs, which are free in protein, sweet corn, which is a free food, and I've added salt and pepper and mixed herbs. I've also baked 6 mince pie and apple baked oat muffins using a healthy bee plus 6½ sins for 2 tablespoons of mincemeat and 100 grams of an eating apple. And then finally I baked 3 banana breads. Sins unknown because these aren't for me. One is for my husband Ian and the other 2 are for our son Ian and our daughter-in-law Rania. Job's a good one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's free to do so. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And as always, keep smiling, stay positive, and take care. And I will see you soon. Bye for now.